Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. That is an English for grade 4 and we are learning unit number 13 and its title is A Courageous Woman. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this is lesson plan and PowerPoint presentation. Worksheet links are given below. You should click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture number 2, we will learn about types of sentences and we will cover up page 105. Okay. Before in English for grade 4, my dear students, we have already learned about types of sentences are there like positive, negative and interrogative on page number 93. I hope you may remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. And today we are going to learn more about sentences. So our students' learning outcomes are identify and practice making simple sentences to show instructions, commands, requests and strong feelings. So my dear students, we are going to learn about such type of sentences. These sentences, how these sentences shows requests, instructions and strong feelings. So let's see that. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Nahl verse number 90, surely Allah commands justice, kindness and the doing of good to relatives and forbids all that is shameful, evil and unfair. He instructs you so that you may be mindful. So yes, my dear students, so can you judge this beautiful verse is telling us about Allah's command. So what Allah has commanded us, so what we have to do for what? Yes, justice, kindness and about the doing of good. To do good behave with our relatives. That is the command of Almighty Allah, that how we have to behave with our relatives. We have to behave with justice and kindness and forbids. And He forbids all that is shameful, evil and unfair. Unfair means when we are not doing justice with our relatives. So this is called unfair, evil. When we are doing something bad with our relatives. So Allah Almighty does not like that. Okay. So such type of behavior with our relatives, with our family, with our friends. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not like it at all. So my dear students, we have to, what we have to do now? Yes, we have to save ourselves from such type of evils. And He instructs. So which type of instructions we are getting? That you may be mindful. He gave us all these instructions for what? That we should keep them remember. Mindful mean we should keep them remember. We should not forget all these instructions that is being delivered by Almighty Allah. So this instructs, commands. So yes, my dear students, so today we will learn about such type of words. So first of all, we are going to refresh our knowledge. What is a sentence? Yes, pause the video and respond. Good, excellent job. So let's see what is a sentence. The combination of meaningful words arranging together grammatically is called a sentence. So my dear students, when we are, so what are words? First try to get what are words. Yes, the arrangements and the combination of letters. How many letters we have in English alphabets? Yes, 26 letters. And when we are going to compare them, when we are going to combine them, so we get a word, meaningful word. So these meaningful words when we arrange together, so we get a sentence and it is also correct grammatically. So you can see this is an example for you. Aisha is reading a book. So this is a sentence, my dear students, and this is grammatically correct sentence. This is actual and it is giving us complete sense and telling us that what Aisha is doing. Okay? And the next sentence, Azan drives a car. So you can see that. So it is also giving us a complete information. So these words are, when they are arranged together, so they give us a message, simple word, simple sentence. It tells us that what someone is doing and how he is or she is doing. So let's see, we are going to learn about types of sentences. There are different types of sentences, my dear students. So let's see, first is positive sentence and the next one negative sentence, when we are going to negate something. Okay, so these such type of sentences are called negative. Interrogative sentence, when we ask question, so we use interrogative sentence. And the next one, imperative sentence, and the next one is exclamatory sentence. So my dear students, first three types we have already learned. So now today we are going to learn about imperative and exclamatory sentences. So let's see that what is an imperative sentence. An imperative sentence is a sentence that expresses a direct command, request, warning or instructions. So my dear students, what is an imperative sentence? An imperative sentence give us 3 to 4 things. Command. So what is command? Command is an order. And who gives order? Definitely our elder give order to us, my dear students. And who are our elders? Like our parents, our teacher. Okay, so these are our elders. So they give us command, order. And request, when we are making request with each other, with our friends, with our family members, with our sister, brothers, so we make request. And also warning or instructions. These both things are together. When we are going to instruct that, when we are going to give direction, so how you have to behave and how you have to walk or how you have to walk in your life. So these are called instructions. So such type of sentences are called imperative sentence. Okay. So imperative sentence do not have a subject. So keep remember, my dear students, one thing more I have told you, imperative sentence do not have a subject, means it does not start with a subject. This is a simple sentence formula that we need subject. So what is a subject? Because subject performs action. So we need a subject. But in imperative sentence, there is no subject. So judge in these examples are also there. These sentences give commands or make requests. Imperative sentence ends with a period. So do you know period? Means full stop. Okay. Such type of sentences ends with a full stop. Sit there, see there, sit nicely. Open the window. Okay. So which type of sentences are there? Focus on your work. Shut the front door. So this such type of sentences are commands. Yes. So one thing more, my dear students, I want to share with you, that you must focus on your accent also, because that one is not watching you, that one is not looking at you. So how or she can get that what you have done? You made request, you have given command, or you are giving instruction. Okay. So your accent should tell that which type of sentences you have spoken. Suppose, sit nicely. So this is a command and my accent is telling, and mostly usually these things are being spoken, these sentences are being spoken by teachers, and you are facing in your class also. Open the window, focus on your work. So this is, my accent is telling that it's my command. Shut the front door. Okay, got it, my dear students? So see, and you will judge that which type of sentences these are. Bring me a glass of water, please. So yes, which type of sentences are there? Yes, these are requests. So making request, and you can find that there is no subject, my dear students. Bring is a verb, and I have used verb in the start of the sentence. Please give me 5 minutes. So this is request, and while making request, our accent should tell that how we are making request. Okay, you should make request in a polite way. No need to be harsh while making request. So keep remember, kindly I need your help in studies. Okay, so we have to make request in a polite way, then anyone will help us. Okay, try to judge such type of sentences. Take a step and do not move. Yes, this is instruction. So what instruction is given in this sentence? Take a step. First is take a step and do not move. First take a step, after that you will not move. These sentences are showing instructions. Next, open your book and start reading. Yes, usually teachers say that, my dear students. I also say, your teacher also say to you that open your book and start reading. This is instruction. Sharpen the pencil, then write. While writing, we are giving instructions. Move in lines. This is instruction that where you have to move. Okay, my dear students, good job. I hope you have got it. Let's see what is exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence is a sentence that expresses strong emotions. Same like interjection, my dear students. Inshallah, you will learn in further classes in next level about interjection. So, but such type of sentences will show strong emotions, and these strong emotions can be related with anger, with happiness, okay, and with sadness also. When we show our feelings, emotions, feelings, these sentences express emotions of joy, happiness, etc. An exclamatory sentence ends with an exclamation mark. This is an exclamation mark. Already we have learned in punctuation marks, my dear students. Is it clear that now such type of sentences we used when we are sharing our joy, our happiness, our anger and our sadness? Then we use exclamatory sentence. See in example, don't talk, get out. Okay, this is anger, but we should not be angry. Keep remember, okay, how beautiful this city is. So you can judge that. So this sentence will tell you, my dear students, that this is an exclamatory sentence. You will not see that how is being used in start. If I'll keep their question mark, then it will be an interrogative sentence. Good. Due to punctuation mark, we will get which type of sentence this is. So, which type of sentence this is? This is an exclamatory sentence. Yes, my dear students. And how we got that? Yes, due to exclamation mark. And also your accent should tell clearly that how you are feeling. You are looking great. The trip was so exciting. The birthday cake was so good. Okay, so these all are happiness, showing happiness, because our accent is also showing that while speaking the sentence. Okay, my dear students, have you got? So let's perform an activity and try to get more about types of sentences. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, be ready. Write few sentences on the board. Call students in pair, and each pair will write the type of sentences written on the board. Engage whole class in this activity. This is a simple activity, my dear students. So what you have to do, you will write few sentences on the board and you will call students in pair and they will write the type of sentence, that which type of sentence this is. Okay, pause the video, perform this activity in class and then come back. Welcome back and excellent job. I hope you have cleared many concepts to your students about types of sentences. Good job. There is an activity and this is an individual activity on your book. On page number 105, you will do question number 7. read the sentences below and identify the type of each sentence. Okay, so you will identify and you will fill the bubble that which type of sentence this is. Perform this activity on your book. Good job, excellent job. I hope you have done it in a nice way. So what's our homework for today? You will write 10 imperative and exclamatory sentences in your notebook. Okay, 5 sentences for imperative sentence in the shape of, and next 5 will be exclamatory sentence. So in this way you will write 10 sentences in your notebook. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this is worksheet and it's also related for our SLO and for our lesson. So you will provide it to your students in printed form so that we should get that, and you will judge how much knowledge students have got about types of sentences. So we have learned today we learned about different types of sentences. We also learned about imperative and exclamatory sentences structure, how we can change them, and in this way we have covered up our SLO. Identify and practice making simple sentences to show instructions, commands, requests and strong feelings. So yes, my dear students and my dear fellow teachers, I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture and you have got that how different sentences can be discussed or can be shared in different situations and how we can share them. Okay, so tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon inshallah. Till that, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.